Directory is not a lead generation company, but we cannot fail contractor. If you're the contractor listed on Directorii.com, this video is for you. We're gonna welcome new members. Today it's a Friday update. As always, every Friday we upload Directory updates. Our team works very hard to bring new features, new functions to the website. Today though, I want to talk about functionality and what contractor gets out of Directory and how contractors can use it in their business. On the site, you're going to be seeing new members. Thank you guys for signing up. We welcome every single one of you and appreciate you. Please watch this video to understand what we need from you and what we can deliver to you. We cannot fail you. I promise you, you're going to like our program if you use it. Someone pointed out to me earlier this week that on our GMB Google My Business profile, we were listed as a lead generation business. One of the reasons that took place is because it was one of the categories that I guess we picked early on. It was not intentional. Nowhere on a website we call ourselves lead generation company, but I guess when third party tried to categorize you for Google, it made sense some time ago and it's already changed. Here's what we call ourselves now. We're contractor referrals, contractor reviews, insurance for home improvements project, digital marketplace, and contractor search. So that's official description on google.com. I don't want any confusion. We're not lead generation company, but let me explain to you what we are and what you can do as a contractor on Directorii.com. Number one, we are new and better business bureau. Think about this. Better Business Bureau accreditation is $500 to $800 per year depending on the market. So pretty much the same price, $49 a month, same as you pay for Directorii.com as a contractor. But with the BBB, you get a badge, but your homeowner, your potential customer does not get much at all. If you go out of business, if you steal money from them, they are not protected at all. The best thing that BBB can do for the homeowner is to downgrade you or to receive their complaint, but that's actually not going to help them. Directorii.com offers $20,000 without any payment for it. Like, you don't have to pay. It's free. It's free to the contractor and it's free to the homeowner. So as a contractor, every single contractor can and should implement Directorii badge and Directorii in their presentation. When you sell those jobs, you don't have to register them, you don't have to sell, but we will help you to sell your services. We will help you sell those jobs. You can tell the homeowner if there are any trust issue that they can trust you because you're validated by the third party. Essentially, you have the cheapest bond in the industry, $49 a month, and we guarantee that you're not gonna go out of business. And if you steal from them or abandon the job, don't finish it, run away with their money, we back you up. No one else can do it. That alone worth way more than $49 a month, and we will not fail you. We have a contractor in Pennsylvania who took $8,000 deposit, run away, we return it to the homeowner. We cannot find a contractor. We don't know what's happened to him. We took a risk by recommending him. He was a newer player, 6 months in business, qualified, met all the requirements, was highly rated and passed a background check, but decided to commit fraud. So guess what? We paid out, closed the books, our loss, but we took care of the homeowner. So if you're the contractor and you are not using it in a sales presentation, you're not using program as intended to be. Again, it doesn't cost you anything extra. It's not leads per se, but we will help you close the jobs. That's number one. Number two, you can actually activate the offers on the website just like you did on Angie's List if you've been around for a while, storefront offers, just like you would do on the Groupons. If you have offer, any bestseller, like we have one company in the Midwest, they have sold 10 gutter cleanings at $195. 10 within a month. All they did is activate offers and put it on our website. Now, when you do that, you will get sales in your sleep. Any traffic comes to your website will see that offer. Imagine how many people visiting your website after hours or before hours. They come to your website, they know that they cannot call because it's 11 o'clock at night, but they need your service, and they see special deal, special offer, gutter cleaning, emergency roof tarp covering. Wherever you can think of, we can create and list on Directorii.com, and you can put it on your website. Now you're gonna get an email that someone purchased a deal from you. In this case, that contractor who did that got 10 jobs, not leads, jobs. So we have contractors who complained they never received one lead, and then we have a contractor who activated offers, put it on his website, and got 10 jobs. But if you understand the difference, it's not directory difference, it's contractor difference. One actually went extra step and used the program, and another one just complained that he never got a lead. So if you're the contractor, please make sure you activate your offers and go that extra mile. It doesn't cost you $1 more. Activating offers on the website is free. Talking to your website developer and asking them to put a code and add one menu item on your website, it's probably not going to cost you much, if anything. Most likely you're paying monthly fee for your website too, so that's technically free. So 2 free things, maybe 20 minutes of your time, and you might be getting leads, sales, and jobs. Make sure you use it. And lastly, help us help you. We desperately need contractors to register every single job they got from Directorii.com. We literally have contractors who've gotten 30, 40 leads. They got the leads, they never register a single one of them. We have to remove them. So while we do have a problem that some contractors in some areas did not receive leads and they were expecting that, we have contractors who got a lot of leads, but they did not do anything. So if you are the contractor and you got a lead, make sure you treat that lead well, do the job, register with the Directorii.com. You know what you have to do, you're gonna get more of it. But if we see you or catch you getting jobs and not registering them, we're gonna remove you and we're gonna replace you with the contractors who follow the program. So those 3 things are super easy. If you do them, we cannot fail you. By the way, you can also, as a bonus, register for mymarketingfitness.com. It's free for all directory users. Every Monday, I do live calls, live Zoom calls with all the members. You can ask me any questions. I'm literally teaching you how to win in business, how to use not only my platform, but I'm interviewing the best people in the business. We talk about marketing, lead generation. I want to make your phone ring. Come for free every Monday and talk to me on the Zoom calls. Marketing Fitness program is my best program. Some contractors pay $100 a month just to be on it. If you're a directory contractor, your $49 membership at Directorii.com gets you free pass to My Marketing Fitness. Remember what I told you? We cannot fail you. We will not fail you. We're here with you to the end. If you have any problems with your business, if you need any help, reach out. I promise you, I'll be there with you. We'll try to get you jobs. We'll try to get you sales. We'll try to fix your business when we can, but we need you to do a few things. So do those things, activate those offers, register those jobs, come every Monday to meet with me at Marketing Fitness Program, learn from the best, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions about Directorii.com, comment below, I'll answer them personally. I'll see you next Friday.